Okay, let's begin another question session, question and answer sessions. These questions from the body fluids and circulation chapters. So the first question is here: blood of AB group cannot be given to B group patient because of 4 options are given. You have to choose the correct answer from this question. So 4 option: patients has antibodies B, option B, patients lacks antibodies B, and patients lacks antibodies A, and patients has antibodies A. So from these 4 questions you have to choose the correct answer. So the correct answer will be option D. The patient has antibodies A. So let's move to the next question. Question number 2. So blood transfusion is possible between group option A, donor A and recipient O, donor A, donor B and recipient A, and option donor AB and recipient O, and donor AB and recipient AB. So from these 4 options you have to choose the correct answer. So here the correct answer will be option D. D will be the correct answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. The next question is here. Next question: which of the following genotypes have blood group B? So from the correct answer for this question will be option D. So let's move to the next question. Clumping of RBC may occur when blood of one person is mixed with serum of blood of another person. This due to 4 options are given. Just you can read the 4 options and you have to choose the correct answer. So the correct answer will be antigen antibody reactions, antitoxin and antibody reaction, antigen and antigen reaction, and antibody reaction. So you know the correct answer will be option A. The antigen antibody reaction will be the correct answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. So the next question is here. Question number 9. Pacemaker is situated in heart. So you have to find out the correct location of pacemaker in the heart. So 4 options are given. Just you read the 4 options and choose the correct. You have to choose the correct answer from this question. So question number 9, the correct answer will be the option A. In the wall of right atrium will be the correct answer. So the pacemaker is situated in heart in the wall of right atrium. So the next question number 10, systole causes. So 4 options are given. So systole means the contraction of heart. So the systoles. So systoles, entry of blood into the lung, entry of blood into the heart, exit of blood from the heart, exit of blood from the ventricles. So the correct answer for this question will be the option D. The correct action, the exit of blood from the ventricles. So let's move to the next question. Question number 11. Which one of the following minerals control heart? So the correct answer for this question will be, you can write the answer in the comment sections before I telling you the question answer and the answer of the question. So I'm just pausing sometimes. Again, I'm reading the question. Which one of the following minerals control heart? So the main minerals which control the heart is sodium. Correct answer will be the sodium. So let's move to the next question. Question number 12. So again, right atrium receive blood from pulmonary aorta, pulmonary veins, inferior vena cava, superior and inferior vena cava. So the correct answer for this question will be the option D, the superior and inferior vena cava. So right atrium receive blood from superior and inferior vena cava will be the correct answer. So next question. In vagus, if vagus or parasympathetic nerve to heart is cut, the heartbeat will. So four options are given. So if the sympathetic nerve or vagus nerve if it is cut, then what will happen? The heart, you have to choose the correct answer. Four options are given, so you have to choose the correct answer. So question number 13 is very important question. So the heartbeat, what happened to the heartbeat? Heartbeat will be increase. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Next question, question number 14. So question number 14, just lymph is colorless because WBC are absent, hemoglobin are absent, WBC present, RBC are absent. So the correct answer for this question will be option C, hemoglobin is absent. So let's move to the next question. Lymph nodes from. So lymph nodes forms what they forms. So the correct answer will be the lymph. So sorry, the correct answer will be option D, not B. Antibody, they form antibody. Papillary. Next question. Papillary muscles occurs. So papillary muscles occur. Four options are given. The papillary muscles are present. Mainly the papillary muscles are present in ventricles. So let's move to the question number 5. So tooth extraction in hemophilic person may cause death due to excessive bleeding because of absence of plasma factor required to convert prothrombin into thrombin, presence of plasma factor that prevents blood clotting, absence of plasma factor required for hemorrhage, none of the above. So the correct answer for this question will be option A. Next, let's move to the next question. Sodium oxalate prevents blood clotting due to. Four options are given. So what is the function of sodium oxalates in the blood clotting? So blocking of fibrinogen transformations, covering RBC, inhibiting activity of clotting factor of plasma, or combining with cations of blood. So the four options are given. You have to choose the correct answer from this. So the combining with cations. So the combining with cations of blood. So the correct answer is option D. So last question of this video. Prothrombin required for blood clotting is produced in. So four options are given. You have to choose the correct answer. So prothrombin required for blood clotting is produced. So the prothrombin is produced in the liver. So the correct answer is liver for this question.